Hi guys, Carmen here with Clean Cut Graphics, and on today's video I wanted to show you guys how to use holographic HTV by Siser. So Siser Holographic Vinyl. This is a HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl. This can go on anything that an iron could go on. So a pillow, a blanket, a shirt, a hoodie, like I said, anything that you could put an iron on, you could use this on. But I wanted to show you guys, not only do I love this vinyl, I love the shininess and the smoothness of it after pressing it, but I wanted to show you guys a cool hack. I know that just like myself, there's a lot of ladies that love the bedazzled look, right? Glitter is awesome, but I wanted to show you a cool hack with this. This one, all you have to do is find an image that you love, and it has to be a studded image, or you could go on Etsy, you could go on Google, just find any studded image that you like, or you could Google Rhinestone template. So you know how the ladies have all the rhinestones on the shirts and stuff? I'm going to show you a cool hack to use this to get that look. Alright, so we are going to start by placing this on our mat, colored down. Now, a lot of people think it's hard to weed, but if you cut it with the right settings and a sharp blade, it is easy peasy. So for today, I am going to use our Cricut Explorer 2. For this, our settings for this machine, I am going to put it on light cardstock. My blade is good to go. If you are using a Silhouette Cameo, the settings for the machine would be blade 4, speed 4, thickness 18. I have heard a lot of people say that they use the same settings for when they cut glitter. I have my image here, and it says Faith, and it has a whole bunch of cute little polka dots around it. So now that I have it, I am going to size it up to how big or how small I want it. I'm going to be making a kid's shirt, so I don't want it too big. Now remember, when you're working with words, letters, you always want to flip it. Here on Cricut Space, I go to flip horizontal, which flips my words backwards, because you do want to face down mirror your words on holographic HTV. Now I'm going to go to cut, and it will show here. And one cool thing about the Design Space is that it does have a cut faster feature, so that's pretty cool. It's called the fast mode. I'm going ahead and click that, and then once my little C button here for cut starts beeping, I'm going to go ahead and press cut. Alright guys, now that it has completed, you can eject this. So like I said, it is a thicker cut because it is a thicker vinyl, but it feels real smooth. So, and you can see all the little circles. I don't know if you could get a good... But you can see where all the little circles are. What I'm going to do, I'm going to find where the last circle is, and then I am going to cut around it. Just like that. And I want to show you these pens are great, guys. These pens, we also sell them here at Clean Cut Graphics. There are weeding pens. And remember I said that holographic vinyl is easy to weed if you do have a sharp blade. And all you do is pull it back slowly at an angle. So a lot of people don't like to hold this part because it falls back and whatnot. So if you don't like it, simply cut it off. Cut it off and start closer and closer. That makes it easier for you to get closer to your image and weed it back. These little pieces are so tiny, and this is doing so great, as you guys can see. And this is the third shirt that I'm doing like this, because like I said, I really love the rhinestone look. But when I found out you could cheat this way and do this, I fell in love with this method. Again, if you don't want all this extra, cut it off. And that way you can start all over. I know that on my hands it's easier to pull piece by piece. I want to wait to this part at the end because that's where we have most of them. And ta-da! Alright guys, and that is it. We have finished our product. As you guys see, we have not lost not one little speck of our HTV vinyl there. And holographic vinyl is pressed at 320 degrees for 15 seconds, firm pressure. Let's walk on over to our heat press and show you what it looks like after being pressed. Alright guys, and now that we have our decal, we place it where we want. I'm gonna choose to leave it right there. Alright, our QR codes on our sheets are heat safe, so just in case you press it, don't worry about it, nothing will happen. Alright guys, I'm so excited. You guys ready? Let's press. And then we pick up. And another thing about our Siser Holographic vinyl is that this is a cold peel. So what we like to do is we like to remove it from the heat press and bring it over to a nice cool place. And it is a cold peel, so that means we have to wait for it to cool down. Once it has cooled down, then we can pull the carrier, because if we try to do it before, it will come back in the carrier sheet. But are you guys ready to see our final product? And here is that little QR code that I was talking about. Nothing happened. It's good. Sometimes they do turn black and sometimes they stay that way. But this is our finished product for our Siser Holographic vinyl. The color I used today was our light blue. And this is our little hack for getting that rhinestone look without the rhinestones. If you guys liked our video today, please let us know in the comments below if you liked it, and let us know if you intend to try this method. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Again, this is Carmen here with Clean Cut Graphics. Thank you for joining us.